Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to put a Ram 1500 in neutral. First, make sure your truck is on a level surface for safety. Then, turn the engine on, but do not start driving. It's crucial to keep your foot firmly on the brake pedal throughout this process. This ensures the vehicle remains still while you adjust the gear selection. We'll cover the simple steps to achieve this quickly. Next, locate the rotary shifter knob, which is typically found on your center console or dashboard. This unique design makes shifting straightforward. You'll notice a small button right in the center of the knob. Press and hold this button down firmly. This action disengages a safety mechanism, allowing you to move the shifter to different positions. Keep it pressed as we proceed to the next step. With the center button still pressed, gently rotate the shifter knob. You will turn it counterclockwise until the indicator aligns with the N for neutral. It's a smooth motion, requiring minimal effort. Once you see N illuminated or clearly indicated, you can release the button. This confirms that the transmission is now disengaged from the engine, allowing the wheels to spin freely. Finally, confirm that your Ram 1500 is in neutral by checking the instrument cluster. You should see the N indicator light illuminated. At this point, the vehicle can be rolled or pushed if necessary. Remember, even in neutral, always engage the parking brake before exiting the vehicle. This crucial step prevents unintended movement and ensures safety for everyone around. You've successfully put your truck in neutral.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.